Imagine turning on your computer, and instead of clicking icons, your OS just does your work for you. Welcome to the AI OS revolution. For the last 40 years, we've been stuck in the desktop metaphor. Files, folders, dragging, dropping. But right now, a massive paradigm shift is happening. We are moving from graphical user interfaces, GUIs, to agentic operating systems. Today, we're going to break down why everyone from tech giants to stealth startups is rushing to replace Windows, how an AI OS actually works, and whether you're ready to give an AI the keys to your digital life. Let's be honest, our current operating systems are just digital filing cabinets. They rely entirely on you to know where things are and how to use them. But cognitive load is maxed out. An Agentic OS flips the script. Instead of you navigating the system navigates your needs. You don't open a browser, then a spreadsheet, then an email client. You just say, compare Q3 revenue with our competitors and send a summary to the team. The OS orchestrates the app seamlessly in the background. So, what makes an OS agentic? It comes down to context and agency. Traditional OSs are reactive. An AI OS is proactive. It can see what's on your screen, understand the context of your current project, and take autonomous actions. It's the difference between a tool and an employee. Using multimodal models, these systems process text, voice, and vision simultaneously. They watch you work, learn your workflows, and start anticipating your next move before you even make it. Microsoft knows this is an existential threat, which is why they are desperately trying to bake Copilot into the very core of Windows. Apple is leaning into Apple Intelligence. But the real revolution might not come from the incumbents. Open source projects and stealth startups are building native AI operating systems from the ground up, bypassing legacy code entirely. These challengers aren't weighed down by 30 years of backward compatibility. They are lean, hyperfast, and designed exclusively for AI-first interactions. But here is the elephant in the room: privacy. An agentic OS needs to see everything you do to be useful. It reads your messages, analyzes your bank statements, and watches your screen. If this data is processed in the cloud, you've essentially handed over your entire digital identity to a megacorp. That's why the winning AI OS will likely be the one that can run powerful, localized models on your own hardware, keeping your data strictly on your device. The transition from GUI to AI OS is going to be the most disruptive tech event of the decade. We're not just changing how we use computers. We're changing what computers are. We post daily video updates on trending topics. Subscribe so you never miss one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the future.